Here's how to free up storage space on Windows quickly and easily. Press Windows R, type clean mgr, and press Enter. Select your main drive, usually C, and check all unnecessary file categories like temporary files, thumbnails, and system cache before clicking OK to clean them up. Next, open Settings by pressing Windows I. Go to Storage and enable Storage Sense to automatically remove temporary files and empty the recycle bin at set intervals. Click Configure Storage Sense and run it manually for an instant cleanup right away. Free up even more space by uninstalling unused programs. Press Windows R, type appwiz.cpl, find any apps you no longer need, select them, and click Uninstall. Then clear temporary files manually by pressing Windows R, typing %temp%, and deleting everything inside that folder, skipping any files currently in use. Clear your prefetch folder the same way to remove old cache data. Finally, right-click the recycle bin and select Empty Recycle Bin to permanently free up that space. For even more cleanup, open File Explorer, search for large files using the size filter, and remove anything you no longer need. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.